stop wasting your time creating designs from scratch. Imagine creating professional logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and stunning AI images in just a few seconds. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what Ideogram AI can do. In this video, I'll show you how to use Ideogram AI from the very beginning. And I'll also share the features that most beginners completely miss. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Ideogram AI is actually better than Canva for AI-powered design. So, let's get started. First of all, what exactly is Ideogram AI? Ideogram is an AI-powered image generator that creates high-quality graphics, logos, posters, thumbnails, and realistic text designs, just from a simple prompt. Unlike many AI image tools, Ideogram is especially good at generating clear and readable text inside images. That's one of the biggest reasons why content creators, marketers, and designers love using it. Instead of spending hours designing, you simply describe what you want, and the AI does the hard work for you. Now, let's see how to get started. First, open the Ideogram AI website and create your free account. You can sign up using your Google account in just a few seconds. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard. At the top, you'll find the prompt box. This is where the magic begins. Instead of clicking dozens of buttons, you simply describe what you want. For example, a futuristic YouTube thumbnail with neon blue lighting and a realistic AI robot. Press Generate. And within seconds, Ideogram creates multiple high-quality designs. If you don't like the first result, simply change your prompt or click Generate again. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your final image will be. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's create something useful. Suppose you're starting a YouTube channel. Instead of hiring an expensive designer, simply write Modern Minimalist Logo for an AI technology channel with blue neon colors and a futuristic style. Within seconds, Ideogram generates multiple logo concepts, and that's not all. You can also create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. For example, type a shocked person, futuristic AI background, bold yellow text, dramatic lighting, YouTube thumbnail. The results look surprisingly professional. Just remember, the quality of your prompt determines the quality of your design. So always describe your idea as clearly as possible. That's the secret to getting amazing AI images. Now, here's something that most beginners don't know. If your prompts are too short, your results will also look basic. Instead of writing AI robot, try something like ultra-realistic futuristic AI robot, blue neon lights, cinematic lighting, highly detailed, 8K, dark background. See the difference? The more details you provide, the better your images become. Another pro tip, use words like cinematic, realistic, ultra-detailed, professional, minimalist, dramatic lighting. These keywords usually produce much better results. And don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes, changing just one word can completely transform your final image. That's exactly how professional creators get amazing AI designs. Now, let's answer the most important question. Is the free version enough? For most beginners, the answer is yes. You can create high-quality logos, thumbnails, posters, and social media graphics without spending any money. However, if you're creating a large number of images every single day, or you need faster generation, the paid version might be worth considering. But honestly, I recommend starting with the free plan first. Learn the platform, improve your prompts, and only upgrade when you truly need it. So, is Ideogram AI worth using? Absolutely. Especially if you're a YouTuber, designer, student, freelancer, or content creator. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join AI Plus MG for more powerful AI tools, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.